What will a lawyer do for me?
Being a victim of a personal injury accident can be a significant, difficult time for individuals. These difficulties can include the physical and emotional injuries from the accident, as well as the financial hardship and insecurity presented by lost wages, increased medical expenses, and time away from an individual's normal life. While each attorney handles cases in a different fashion, generally, attorneys experienced in personal injury law will assist accident victims by helping them manage their medical bills while their case is pending, gather all the damage information, negotiate with the insurance companies regarding the case, evaluate all insurance coverage available, and attempt to reach a maximum settlement for your claim. If the case is not able to be resolved, an experienced personal injury lawyer can ensure that your rights are protected by filing your case in a timely manner and ensuring that all legal deadlines are met. Thereafter, if the case is still not able to be resolved, an attorney can also present the case for you at a trial before a jury. The services by each attorney will vary from case to case. Therefore, when reaching a decision on whether to hire a lawyer and who to hire, it's important to ask that individual attorney what services they anticipate providing if they are retained in your case.
Thank you.